Good evening everybody. Today I am taking a class in interface. Okay. My name is John. I am a computer faculty of Michael Park Computer Center. Okay. Why we are using interface? To overcome the problems of hybrid inheritance and multiple inheritance. Okay. To overcome these effects, we are using a concept called interface. Actually, interface is a template. Okay. Interface is a template which are declared with the constant variables. Okay. And with the methods always whatever the methods and constants which are declared inside the interface, okay, must be declared as public, okay. And show you one brief summary here. Okay, now this here see here, interface template that contains constants and method declaration. Always interface is declared inside the constant and method declaration, and interface is a keyword. Okay. And we cannot declare whatever the variables and methods are there. We cannot use private or protected. Always these interface must be declared under the class specifiers public. Okay. And see, these are the points which you have to remember. And always if you are using class with class, we are using extends keyword. And if you are using interface class, we have to use implements keyword. Or if you are using interface, you have to use extends keywords. Okay. Now these are the important points which you have to remember. Okay. In interface. Next what you have. Now show you some problem regarding the interface. Okay. Now we'll go to this Eclipse. What I do. Okay. Now coming to this problem. Here I am using interface keyword. Okay. I am using one class called father. Then I am using on this constant variables. I am using the constant as 1, and I am calling with the function. Always the function name method I should declare inside interface. We cannot declare with the we cannot declare this statement. We just have to declare with the method, and these methods are called inside the class. Okay. Only the method declarations are given in the interface and with the constant values. Okay. Now this is for base class, and this is for base class with direct class. Okay. Base class is hot and direct class is child. Okay. Now like that, here I am using it now interface. Instead of giving the direct class, I am telling interface. Okay. I am using with interface. Indirectly I am using with interface. Okay. This for single inheritance. Again what I am doing here, again I am calling this child. Okay, I am calling the child. Grandson is derived from child. Okay, grandson is derived from child. Okay, and here what I am doing, this is for this is like multi-level. Okay, multi-level inheritance. Okay, now first the child will become the direct class for the base class father. Again the child will become base class for the next grandson direct class. Okay, it's like a zigzag. Okay, now always if you are using interface. With interface you have to use extends. If you use class with the interface you have to use implements. Always class is in the last, how many interface you want you can use. At the end you have to conclude with the class. Now whatever the methods you have declared, you are calling inside, you are declaring the with the statements inside the class. Okay, for this father function and child. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am calling the main function. In the main function what we are doing, I am calling the class and object new class name. Using the object I am calling the return function. I am calling what will happen. First this object will be called for the interface. Then this function will call for the statement. Okay. Again this object will call for the interface which one child. Again it will go for the statement of this one. Like that, each object is calling for the interface method. Then it will go for the printing for the class details. Okay. Now this is for that is multi-level. Okay. Now next what I will do. Now next suppose I want to go for multiple. Okay, for multiple inheritance we are using usually we use two base class like parents and children. Okay, for multi-level is like A to B, B to C, C to D, like that. Now first base class will become now we have one base class and one direct class. Okay, and whatever the direct class is there in the previous it become base class for the next direct class. Like that, keep on continuing up to the last this one specification. Okay, like that. Each direct class will become the base class for each direct class, like A to B, B to C, C to D, like that. That's for multi-level. Multiple means you have two base class with one direct class. So here what you are using two interface. Okay, to overcome the problem of this ambiguity, we are using two interface, father and mother, and we are associating with the interface child. Okay, and here what I am doing, again I am calling this child. I am using this interface with the class. For interface class you have to implement. Okay. Now whatever the methods are called, we are giving in detail inside the class for this first function, second function, and third function. Okay, one is for father, mother, and child. Okay. Now what I am doing in the main function, if I call the object of grandson, I can get the details of child as well as father and mother, because this child is inherited from father and mother, again grandson is inherited from child. Okay, like that. This grandson is linked with child and child is linked with parents. Okay, and if I call the object of grandson, I can get the details of all this one. Like example, like we have books inside bag. If you open the bag, you get the books. Like that, here also, if you call the details of grandson, you can get the details of both child and mother. Okay. Now through this object. Okay, here if you want to create the object, you have to use new keyword. New is for creating instance of the class for a given object, and along with the object and calling the different methods. If you run this program, I'll go to run as. Okay. Now here what is an grandson. Okay, grandson 1. Now we have to give the same name, grandson 1 is last name. Now I'll go to run. Again you go to run as Java application. Then you click on OK. Okay. Now see, now it's showing. Now first constant value is calling from this class, father class, then it's calling for second mother class, then it's calling for the child class. Like that, through this grandson, it's calling the details of all the other classes, all the other constant values which are declared under different interface. To this direct class, it's calling the details of other interface. Okay, using which object? Here direct object is D. Like that, here we are using the interface for doing multiple intents in Java. Okay, thank you.